Panthers. How are you, Panthers? Today in this video I'm going to shock you guys with I'm going to shock you with what happened in hot fruit in Hollywoodbet. I won about 5,500 rand in Hollywoodbet hot fruit. So guys, this video, I was playing it at night, I think past 11 yesterday, so I didn't record it, but I only played with, I started by depositing 200 rand. After that I lost that 200, I deposit another 200, then I win at 5,200. And it's not only that, but today you are only going to watch for Hollywoodbet. I also again decided to take advantage of depositing 200 in Betway, and I won. I lose it and I deposit another 200, then I won. Same thing happens twice, but it was at Betway, it was not that much, but it's a huge amount too. So guys, as I've said that in this video I'm going to nominate two people. So I'm going to nominate two first commenters in the video that I've said I'm going to use. The first person is Mukona Mabina. He won a voucher of 100 rand, and then the next person he wrote, "Congrats Panther, this game very stingy, you are the lucky one," is Sholani-HO9XU. You won the voucher of 100 rand. So you must, I'm going to write my cell phone WhatsApp number on this video comment. I'm going to comment with my cell phone number on this video, and then because of this huge win that I'm getting when I'm blessing you guys, I'm also getting blessed. So I'm going to nominate the next 4 winners. Each amount is still going to be 100 rand for the next 4 winners. So guys, the next video, in order for you to win, it does not matter if you are a new member or you are not. So in order for you to win, you just have to like, subscribe, and then comment. This time when I am not going to be picking like this, the app is going to be helping us. The commenter app, there is online apps for YouTube that can help us to pick those people who are participating. Make sure that you participate in this game, because you are going to, 4 people are going to be nominated for 100 rand voucher. So which means you can be the best, you can be the lucky one. Those 2 people that I said, they are going to get their voucher today, and then it's gonna be OTT or one voucher. It's still the same thing. And when they get them, please guys, comment in the comment section that you got the voucher. The next video, the next one, when we do it, it might be you again. It does not matter. I'm not the one who's going to be picking. It's going to be the app. Just make sure that you do the work, share, like. I'm not going to be the one selecting like this. I just did manually. It's going to be the app that is going to be selecting you guys, and then it will be so nice. So before I waste your time, let's get to this video and let's enjoy it together. Guys, this is the replay that I was talking about. Let me just say something. It was not in a bonus. It just happened same time, full servants, and this is exactly what happens. Let's play it again, and so that you can see it. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share these videos. If you are also a new member, participate. It does not matter whether you are a new member or old members. Anyone is a winner in this channel. Let me play it again so that you can see it properly. And thank you, Panthers, for watching. So guys, this is exactly what happens. That's exactly what happens. So guys, the next video, we are picking 4 people. Make sure that you participate, and don't forget to like, subscribe in this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to be posting, the next video is going to be for the Betway, the one that I did the same process and win. And it's not only about that. You will see we are still going to win more this year, this season. and then I hope also you guys, you are going to be winning. So I'm going also to be doing something new. I'm going to be live. I'm going to be live, and when I'm live, I'm going to allocate maybe 3 or 4 or 5. It does not matter how many, depend on my budget. I'm going to nominate 2 people or 5 or 3. Then those people, I will give them 150 when I'm playing. If they win in that 150, and I will give them whatever that they win, as long as it's below 500. But if it's above 500, the maximum amount that we'll get is gonna be 500 rand, and then the remaining one, it will be I'm gonna take it above 500. The maximum that I'm going to be giving is gonna be 500. So this is what I'm going to strategy that I'm going to be using, guys, to give you this month, so helping you. And then also you can see what is happening when I also help each others. And then guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your day.